Okay, so let's take it one by one and I ask our experts. Dr. Shenoy, let's begin with you because Kerala honestly did do a great job of containing it, of contact tracing it. I think they really set the example for the entire country to figure out how contact tracing will have to be done in the initial days. But obviously, if you look at the recovery rate and the active cases rate and the way it's moved now, there is a bit of a concern. Now, to what will you attribute that?
It is very clear. See, Kerala had a huge return of non-residential Keralites coming to Kerala. Almost 2 lakh people have come. So we expect that there is going to be a rise. It was expected by Kerala government. Like from Wuhan, people came and we had an increase in case. We had the first case in the country. First 3 cases were reported in Kerala. We contained it. What is Kerala doing is very clear. Isolate the people who are coming from outside and make them sit at home so that there is no contact spread. There is no spread of disease from them to others. So if you look at the 2,000 odd cases, less than 10% has been spread by contact. It's a remarkable record. But the most important thing is still the journey is on. Although number of cases are rising, all of them are diagnosed inside hospital, inside their quarantine centers, be it at their home, be it a COVID care center. So it is very clear that Kerala is still doing reasonably good job. So increasing cases is not worrying me. What is worrying me is there are positivity of Kerala, number of test positivity, that is test divided by case used to be extremely good, 70, 80, 100 for Kerala. But for last 2 weeks, it has come down to 50. So we should remember that Delhi and Gujarat are having 1 in 6 or 1 in 7. Out of that, Kerala is having 1 in 50. So still it's reasonably good, but positivity is decreasing. And third worrying thing, what I think is there are 3 or 4 deaths which have happened over last 1 week, where source of from where they got is not clear. That is the most worrying thing for Kerala. I don't think the rise in cases is expected. 100 cases, 80 cases out of 5,000, 6,000 people who are returning from abroad is expected. There is nothing to worry in that, and they are not diagnosed in the COVID care facility. So what is worrying is the deaths where cause is from where they got the disease is not clear. 3 or 4 deaths have happened. Out of 16 deaths, 4 of them from where they got disease, we are not sure. Source of disease is not clear. That is what is worrying for us, rather than having a huge spike in cases.
Okay, fair enough. In fact, largely what you're saying, it is also because of the people who are now coming into the state and additional cases that have emerged, which is, it does coincide with the way the chart shows the graph turning for Kerala. The time where they had hit, where there were a couple of days when no cases were reported, and then 1 case or 2 cases were getting reported, to now what we are seeing on a daily basis, there are quite a few cases getting reported.